Hello students, hope all is well from your side. See, today we will start our new chapter and that is totally new for you because in our previous classes we don't have any idea about this chapter and our chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry, or we can say that our new chapter is our new chapter is trigonometry, and as it is written here, introduction to trigonometry. So in this class we will see only the introductory part of this chapter. Now see here, in our previous class we have already studied about triangles. We are learning from triangles, I think from class 3. Okay, and now in the other classes we learn about types of triangles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, triangle, so many types of triangles. So in this chapter particularly we will read about right triangles. Okay, and we have idea about right triangles, and being the student of class 10 there is no need to explain the property of right triangles. The thing which comes to our mind is that if it is a right triangle, then one angle must be how much? 90 degree. Now see here, to recognize right angle, we will take some examples from our environment. Suppose we assume the figure of Qutub Minar. Okay, so we know that the height of Qutub Minar is very high, and a student is imagine that he stands at particular distance from the Qutub Minar and he tried to recognize the height of the Qutub Minar. So how he will find that one? So for this, okay, and I will tell you about this after explaining some more example. Suppose a girl is sitting on the balcony of her house located on the bank of a river. She is looking down at a flower pot placed on a stair of a temple situated nearby on the other bank of the river. And here just you imagine the right angle triangle. Okay, and we should find the distance from the balcony to the bottom of the temple. Okay, so how we will find the height, or you can say length, whatever we want. Similarly, there are so many examples. Just you see here, suppose a hot air balloon is flying in the air. A girl happens to spot the balloon in the sky and runs to her mother to tell her about it. Her mother rushes out of the house to look at the balloon. Now the girl had spotted the balloon. Initially it was at point A. When both the mother and daughter came out to see it, it had already traveled to another point B. So how we will find the altitude of B from the ground? Now see, it's very difficult to find the distance of such a long height, or we can say it's very difficult to find such a long distance. For such type of situation, in all the situation given above, the distances or heights can be found by using some mathematical technique. See, our mathematicians have assumed or given us a new technique, and that technique is called trigonometry. That technique is our trigonometry. Okay, and the word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words tri. See, it is derived from three words: tri, gon, and what? Metron. Here, tri meaning three, gon means side, and metron meaning measurement. So we can say that, in fact, trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and the angle of a triangle. Okay. So here, for that purpose, we are using trigonometry, because already here we are observing tri means three, gon means side, and metron means measurement. So just you see three sides. So when it comes to our knowledge, three sides, so definitely it is coming to our mind that a three-side figure is known as what? Triangle. Okay, so the earliest known work on trigonometry was recorded in Egypt and Babylon. Early astronomers used it to find out the distance of the stars and planets from the Earth, and even today, most of the technologically advanced methods used in engineering and physical sciences are based on trigonometrical concepts. Okay, see students, in this chapter, we will study some ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its what? Acute angle. Suppose if we are drawing a right angle triangle, so one angle is 90 degree. Here we will study some ratio of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles. Okay, called trigonometric ratios of the angle, and that ratio will be considered as what? Trigonometric ratios of the angle. Here we will study about acute angles, but in some cases, we will also define the trigonometric ratios for angles of measure 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, we will calculate trigonometric ratios for some specific angles and establish some identities involving these ratios called trigonometric identities. Okay, so we will find the relation. Okay, now here is our trigonometric ratios. So when it comes ratios, okay, now see, here we are having a triangle A, B and C. Okay, here we observe that A, B, C is an what? Acute angle. Now you see, the main thing you should understand in this part is that here is our triangle. Angle B is equals to 90 degree. Angle A and angle C are acute angles. Now see students, first you have to recognize here if it is angle A. So the opposite side of angle A is what? BC. The opposite side of angle A is what? BC. And the adjacent side is what? AB. Now just you consider the case of angle C. So here its opposite side is what? AB, and its adjacent side is what? BC, and we know that in a right angle triangle the longest side is called what? Hypotenuse. Okay, so here just you see the position of the side BC with respect to angle A. It faces angle A, we call it the side opposite to angle A, this part. Okay, and AC is the hypotenuse of the right triangle, and the side AB is a part of angle A, so we call it the side adjacent to angle A. So I explained you in case of angle A and angle C both. So see, here we can say the side opposite to angle A is BC and side adjacent of angle A is AB. Similarly, the side opposite to angle C is what? AB, and adjacent side is BC, and AC is the hypotenuse. See, now in the next class I will explain the ratios of all the trigonometric ratio. So let us see and let us continue our topic in the next class. Till then, have a good day.